Yeah, y'all. Hey, what's going on? How's it going? Can everybody read me good, clear? Alright. So you see me here saying this and all, and everything, and so, well, I am a little bit sick. I didn't sleep last night. I only slept this morning, and then I slept for like 4 hours, and then get a pounding headache. My head's not. What is this running? Another program is forward block. I can't figure out. Okay, so what is this? Oh, that's my QT. Oh, I opened QT. I opened QT. That was a QT. That QT is an application that's used to building programs with C and C++. Yeah, guys. So I'm telling you, I was sick. And it was all messed up, telling you this and that, all kind of things happen. When I say all kind of things happen, I mean, I meant, so it was hard to just keep up struggling up and all that. This was a program here I was writing in C. Yeah. Yeah, they're writing in C, making a linked list node, getting familiar with pointers. Yeah, I like C because of its pointers. Yeah, it's kind of difficult to code, so I'm getting the hang of it. And so I'm telling you, it's just great about that and how I am killing it and how what I expect to do. But I'm just gonna tell you all again, get this book if it wanna help you get through college or help you learn a new skill fast, meaning remember things real fast and real good, and you could become like the Iron Man of your time or something like that. And this book the name of it is How to Develop a Brilliant Memory Week by Week. And the author is Dominic O'Brien. Remember, Dominic O'Brien is the author. He is the 8 times world memory champion. If you want to search him up, search up Dominic O'Brien on YouTube. He's one of the leading, and check up Memory Athletes on YouTube. Yeah, so yeah. Yeah. Oh. I think I'm gonna go now. You guys, we're gonna show up this another day. Yeah. Let me just run it. How many numbers? Alright, so I'm going to say many numbers. It's going to use 4 numbers. How many numbers? How many numbers? Alright, so how many numbers? Meaning the singular version where we see the 4. That's like a singular 4. Because you see the colon thing, the single quote with the S, that's for singular. Right? If you see the number RS, that's plural, right? So this one is how many numbers, right? So this is like, so let's say 2. So this is 2. And you say 67. And it's gonna say 2. It's gonna keep 2, but it's gonna also include 67, right? And then we're gonna say, let's say 5. And it's gonna keep 2, adding 67, and it's gonna include 5. Eh? Right, 5. And it's gonna say what else again? We're gonna say 99. Yeah. And you get 99 and it'll put everything there. So you see, yeah. Blah 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 blah. Yeah, you get me. Alright guys, later. Yeah, so I'm gonna see you next time. I'm going back to my webpage. I'm just running through my different program codes, and plus this course what I'm doing on Alex is Java. I have a fair recollection of my Java. I still remember some of the more important codes. All I just have to do is just take a quick look through the code and then go back to doing it. But I never get much experience programming Java, so anyway, let me get out of here.